everyone, so today we are going to be doing a bird nest craft, and some of the materials that you're going to be needing for this craft is your kite paper, any color kite paper that you choose. You are going to need a paper plate. You're going to need 3 sheets of paper. One is a plain white paper and the other 2 would be a black and a brown, but I have a light brown construction paper, and this is what we're going to be using to fill our nest today. You are also going to need some craft eyes, your glue, your scissors, and your pencil to draw. So the first thing that we're going to do is take our white paper and we are going to draw 3 ovals. You can draw them big, you can draw them small, whatever size you draw them, that is going to be your bird. Alright, so I'm going to draw my 3 ovals now on my white sheet of paper. So we're going to take our white paper and we're going to now draw our 3 ovals, and this is for our birds. Alright, so I'm going to draw my 3 ovals now. So this is what your 3 ovals should look like, and we are now going to begin cutting these ovals out.
Wow, it's so amazing.
One oval. This is one oval. This is our second oval. So now that we have cut out our 3 ovals, you should have your 3 ovals almost looking like an egg, right? You want to grab your kite paper. We are going to now strip our kite paper to begin filling our ovals, and you can use whatever color kite paper you have. It doesn't have to be red, it can be blue, it can be pink, it can be yellow. Whatever color that you have available, you can use that to begin filling and strip. You're going to be stripping it and you're going to fill your ovals, and this is what is going to be our bird feathers. So right now I am tearing my paper, and you should have strips of paper looking like this. Alright, and we're going to begin gluing these papers together, and we're going to begin gluing them to our ovals. But before you start gluing them, you want to kind of crumple it up, almost like you want to throw away these papers, but we're not throwing them out. It is just to get a sort of a crinkle to it, to get some texture for your wheel. So we're going to be putting glue on our ovals and begin sticking our kite paper to them. So this is what your oval should look like once it is fully covered with your kite paper. Alright, it gives the kite paper some texture. So in the meantime, I'm going to fill up my other 2 ovals just like I did this one with kite paper. Alright? So now that I've stuck my eyes to each of my birds, this is what they should look like. Alright? This is what they should look like. So now I'm going to take the remainder. I'm going to take a piece of my white paper that I initially had, that I cut out my ovals from, and I'm going to draw 3 small triangles, and these are for the bird's beak. So now that I have stuck my triangle to my bird, this is what it should look like. Okay, so I did that for all 3. So I now have my 3 birds. I'm going to set my birds aside to dry while I get ready to cut my paper plates. So you now want to grab your paper plate, and we're going to cut this in half. And this would be for our nest. This is for actually our nest to put our birds in. So your paper plate, your cut paper plate should look something like this. And now we are going to stick our 3 birds along the edge of the paper. So now that I have stuck my 3 birds to the paper plate, you should have something looking like this. And I'm going to set this aside to dry. And you want to get your brown and black construction paper or kite paper if you have it. So now you want to get your brown and black construction paper. And you're going to begin cutting these into some strips, just like I did this finished one. Alright, so I'm going to begin cutting mine now. So now that I have cut my black and brown paper into strips, this is what you should have. I'm going to now cut this in half. And you should have an amount like this, a good amount. You're now going to begin sticking your strips of paper to the bottom and around your paper plate to fill this area here. So now that I have stuck all my strips of paper, this is what you should have. And this is your finished product. So you have your nest and you have your birds to the top here. So thank you so much for tuning in to my arts and crafts session today. I'm so sorry that I could not be with you all today, but I did make this video for you all, so I hope you enjoy it, and I also hope you enjoy making this arts and crafts. And I look forward to seeing each and every one of your pictures on Google Classroom. So thank you so much again. Bye!